Hey there, music lovers! Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into all things audio. Today, we're going to take a journey through the best turntables of 2024. Whether you're a vinyl enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of analog sound, there's something here for everyone. So, let's jump right in. Number 5 Project Debut Carbon Evo. One of the best turntables available right now is the Project Debut Carbon Evo record player. It lets you enjoy the warm sound of vinyl without sacrificing a single piece of audio information. Together with a carbon fiber tonum is a premium Autophon or Sumica cartridge. Performance and ergonomics have improved over the previous Project model thanks to a revised motor design, some damped and adjustable foot, and automatic speed changing. It sounds fantastic. Whatever genre of music you choose, the Debut Carbon Evo will listen to it all. During testing, we found that each location offers a comprehensive and educational listen that can concentrate on the details while eloquently presenting the overall scene. Number 4 Leno LS410 Relay. With its 4 integrated speakers, the Leno LS410 is an all-in-one turntable that lets you listen to vinyl without the need for any additional equipment. Additionally, it has Bluetooth built in, so you can use it as a wireless speaker with decent sound quality. Still, you can get better sonically. This isn't the most dynamic sound you've ever heard, but it's also not the most inhibited, as we said in our review. Additionally, the LS410 is a very nice and occasionally rather stunning Bluetooth speaker when utilized properly. Although the Leno LS140 record player is well made and appealing, its drawbacks outweigh its benefits. For your money, you get a good Bluetooth speaker, but the turntable is not up to pace. The Leno LS410 is comprised of materials that are more utilitarian than luxurious, but the blend of plastic, metal, and wood is expertly crafted and polished. Regarding the build quality, particularly with regard to the cabinet, there is nothing to be critical of. Beneath the aluminium platter, which comes with a felt mat, the record player houses 50 watts of amplification, a 4-strong speaker driver array, each firing out through the crisscross metal grille at the front, a switchable phonostage, and circuitry linked to Bluetooth reception. It resembles the original half-a-squash ball isolation solution that was well liked by hi-fi tweakers and rests on 4 flexible feet intended to isolate the cabinet from vibration. On top is a sturdy plastic dust cover. Raise it so you can see the turntable itself. With a straight tonum and an Audio-Technica cartridge already installed, this belt drive design only requires you to fit and set the counter weight to get going. A tiny control panel featuring play/pause, a volume dial, a 33.3 or 45 revolutions per minute speed control, an on/off/input selection button, and other features is located beneath the tonum. Even if we appreciate the way the cabinet is constructed and finished, there are some fixtures and fittings that we should know a little more about. The mechanical lift that raises and lowers the tonum feels even flimsier than the tonum itself, and the kit that keeps it in its cradle feels even flimsier still. The spongy control buttons move under your finger more often than we'd like. The tonum assembly moves more than is reasonable or expected, but the entire tonum mechanism and drive motor are attached to a suspended plate with a completely acceptable degree of movement. The LS410 is a self-contained system, although it can be connected to a larger system or a more potent amplifier. The cabinet's back features stereo RCA outputs, a switch to turn the integrated phonostage on or off, and a mains power input. There's also an additional 3.5mm analog input for accessory devices. Number 3 Cambridge Audio Alva TTV2. In terms of high-performance turntables, our favorite choice is the Cambridge Audio Alva TTV2. It comes with an integrated phonostage that lets you connect it straight to an amplifier or active speakers. It's switchable, so if you have a high-end solution of your own, you may utilize it. It features aptX HD Bluetooth, which adds more detail, and Bluetooth, which lets you stream music straight to headphones or a wireless speaker. Along with easy cartridge replacement, the device's tonum features adjustable counterweight and anti-skate features. It does, of course, come with a cartridge, a high-output moving coil substitute made by Cambridge Audio that requires replenishment. We found that it sounds superior to even the highest-end Bluetooth headphones when used with some excellent corded components. However, compared to less expensive Bluetooth turntables, we were able to remotely reproduce that full vinyl sound with greater clarity and accuracy. In the piece we published, we stated, "The Alva TTV2 is a deft, smooth and insightful listen, a little short of dynamic headroom, but very long indeed on detail retrieval, tonal balance, and generously engaging sound. Although it has the best features and high-performance audio of any model, it isn't the most elegant or fashionable. The goal of this turntable is to appear like a well-made, finished turntable. A tactile metal plinth sits atop a sturdy, well-finished chassis. The best turntable of 2024 is the Cambridge Audio Alva TTV2, which raises the bar for accuracy, functionality, and creativity in high-fidelity audio. For those who love the warm, genuine sound of vinyl records, audiophiles, and music enthusiasts, the Alva TTV2 offers an unparalleled listening experience. Thanks to meticulous attention to detail, the Alva TTV2 features a clean and contemporary design that complements any audio system. In addition to being aesthetically pleasing, the turntable's construction minimizes resonance and vibrations for optimal performance. The high-torque direct drive motor of the Alva TTV2 provides precise and steady platter spinning. This accuracy is necessary to faithfully reproduce the subtleties of vinyl recordings, providing a genuine and engrossing listening experience. The turntable is equipped with a premium tonum and a well-tuned cartridge for flawless tracking and clarity. With its ability to extract every detail from your record collection, the Alva TTV2 captures the subtleties that make vinyl such a treasure. With its dual analog and digital outputs, the Alva TTV2 welcomes modern connectivity and can be integrated with a range of audio systems. It can be the center of attention for a contemporary digital setup, or it can be connected to your current amplifier. With Bluetooth aptX HD technology, the Alva TTV2 offers convenience without compromising on sound quality. Number 2. Project Debut Carbon. In the realm of vinyl enthusiasts, the Project Debut Carbon is a genuine masterpiece that will set the bar for turntable excellence in 2024. This turntable is more than simply a piece of audio gear. It's a declaration of tasteful sophistication and passionate audiophilia, meticulously created with an unwavering dedication to unadulterated pure sound. At the core of the Project Debut Carbon is a finely constructed tonum and cartridge designed to bring out the finest subtleties from your record collection. The remarkable listening experience is brought to life with a faithful recreation of every note and nuance. The turntable's carbon fiber tonum reduces unwanted resonances and vibrations while providing firmness and lightweight. The needle will always go smoothly down record grooves thanks to this innovative design, providing audiophiles with the clarity and accuracy they want. With its DC power supply and motor separation, the Debut Carbon eliminates any interference that can deteriorate the sound quality. Number 1. Fluence RT81. The best turntable available for entry-level use is the Fluence RT81. The RT81's elegant appearance and practical features relieve the discomfort and anxiety associated with setting up a turntable for the first time. Although audiophiles might not be satisfied, most consumers will find the pricing, functionality, and style of the RT81 appealing. The Fluence RT81 is the best turntable available in the market for music enthusiasts and audiophiles in 2024. With this turntable, You can rediscover the warmth and richness of vinyl records through an elegant fusion of current technology and history. Guys, that concludes our top 5 best turntables of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.